How to fix Netflix the device is not supported issue. Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix the device is not supported issue on Netflix. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So what this error typically means is that an outdated version of Netflix app has been installed on your device. So what you might want to do is first head over to your app store. After you're on your app store, simply search for Netflix. After you search for Netflix, tap on Netflix and open it up. Now what you might want to do here is, if you see an update button like this, tap on the update button and update your Netflix app. After you tap on Netflix update button and the update finishes, you can then try to open up your Netflix and check if the problem persists. If the problem is still there, what you want to do is you might delete your app entirely. So just long press on the app and then tap on remove app. Then tap on delete app and confirm the deletion. After you delete the app, you can then reinstall the app from your app store. And doing that, a more updated version of Netflix should be available on your device now. And with that, your problem should get fixed as well. And that's basically all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos, and bye bye.